Hello everyone, this is me Udit from Sttabot, and today I have a big surprise for you. Now, the Sttabot version 2 is live, and we have done a lot of changes. We have changed the vision of how we thought about our own platform and what problem we were solving, and what exactly were the things that really mattered to our platform and our brain. It all has changed now. So basically, we earlier what we were doing is we had this platform Sttabot where you can come and give a UI to your OpenAI applications that you create, like one like ChatGPT. But there was a very serious problem that we figured out. That okay, let's say there are two persons, I and you. We both are trying to get into this GPT race, get into this AI race, and build a solution. Then if everyone has equal opportunities, everyone has Sttabot as the platform, they have their OpenAI API keys, then what exactly will be the difference between you and I, so that our platform is different, our bot is different? So basically what we figured out is a way which is called supervised LLMs. So basically these are where you can train your bot upon your own data. Whatever data it is getting from GPT, it will be there, but it will add a cherry on the top with your own data. So basically it will be more precise, it will be more tailored, and can be used to cater your existing audience or new users that you gain for your platform. Okay, so this one is interesting. As you can see, I am actually on the platform. When the vision was different, we thought that okay, let's do something, let's build something that actually excites us as the developer of this platform. So we revamped the Sttabot legacy dashboard, and we are now shifted to supervised.co. Supervised because it just gives a great message that okay, what we are on to and what our vision exactly is. So currently you can see I am on the platform. It's the landing page. Basically I'm a big fan of Sir Richard Finman. I have used him on the platform itself. It has a lot of details that I'll be sharing to you, that we are building this for enterprises and for individuals, and basically it has all the essence of what exactly we wanted. So now our whole vision is how you can fine tune your AI models using no code technology, because what I said you right now, fine tuning your AI models or building your own custom AI models, it takes a lifetime to do so if you are not a good developer, or if you don't hire a high budget development team for so basically we have also integrated the API, and we have a lot of WordPress plugins, and there's a lot of stuff. Okay, we have done some features that we'll be offering in this platform, this update. And finally, this one I haven't updated it since last 5-6 days, but now we are over 8,000 plus global corporations who are building using Sttabot. Then we have all this user reviews, some FAQs, and this is the landing page. Here we have the documentation. You can go and check it out. Now for any queries that you have, we already have a guide present over here that will solve all the problems of yours. We will be continuously updating this and adding more documentation things into this. Okay, now let's move towards the platform itself. Okay, so as you can see, I can just go and click on get started for free. I'll be redirected to the onboarding page. You have to create an account. Even though you use Sttabot, you don't use Sttabot, you're new to it, you're a pro user, you have to create a fresh account on Supervised, because it itself is a new platform. Okay, and then there's a request section I'll show you around, where you can just put in your order ID and upgrade to a pro account or whatever subscription you have at Sttabot. Okay, so I have already logged in, so it is just sharing me this video, and I'll go to the dashboard area now. Okay, so right now I am on to the new dashboard that you guys will be using to build your AI applications and the models, whatever you build over here. So let me just show you around the whole platform in a minute. So basically this one is the home page. It doesn't has a lot of options, but only the ones that really means and you'll be using particularly a lot. Then I have this my application section. Then we have models and trainings. Then the monetization is now at the corner. Some of you might have used the version 2 and it was all about monetization, right? The early access. But now we know that monetization is just a part of the game, and you don't need to build a whole product around monetization only. Then we have integrations. Then we have this cute section where you can go through all essentials through one place. And then clicking on this icon on your profile picture, you can actually go to the my account page. Now at the home we have few things. The first one being the explore models. It is coming soon. We are working on it right now. Then if you want to read the documentation, you can just click on here and go to the documentation section that I showed you. Then we have the support center over here. And let's say now here's something interesting. When you create a model on supervised platform, you can sell the access of those models so other people can build bots over it, they can build applications over it, and you can charge them a monthly or one-time fees depending upon how you want it to be. So it is really interesting now, because it is particularly a very great use case to monetize your data, your models, your prompt engineering skills, all through one platform. And for companies who are trying to build powerful applications in particular domain and don't have enough and substantial data to back their models, they can directly purchase the models that other users have created and developers have created, and this sort of whole ecosystem can really boost the AI technology to its newer extent. Now I'll just quickly go through each section one by one. So let's go to the my applications. So one thing I want to make sure that you understand in this video, that models and apps are now two different things. Models is like you can create your model is the software that you create based upon your own data. It's the combination between the OpenAI's GPT and your data to form a completely new model that can work in order to. So models are basically a combination of OpenAI's GPT engine and your data to create some different AI engine that is meant to actually tackle one particular problem or tackle one particular industry. Let's say the one which is backed by hospitality business. The model itself will have different use cases, but only in the hospitality niche. So this is where we are moving forward. For the applications, they are simply bots that can be built over the default OpenAI APIs, the default OpenAI engines like the GPT and DaVinci and Ada and Babbage, or maybe on custom models like one you create on supervised platform. So these are two different things that you can now do on the platform itself. So basically this is the my application section. You can click over here and go to the edit app section. So basically this is where you can edit your application. Then we have models and trainings. Here you can create your model, configure your model, see all the models that you have created, and it is really interesting. Then we have the monetization part. Basically this is the place where you can monetize your models and applications and everything, sell access, etc. Then we have the integration section. Now you don't have different integration pages for different bots. They all are present over here. You can just share the bots link and select which language you want to integrate your bot into, maybe whatever your core platform is into, and click on create integration section. That's it. Then we have your my account section. That is really important for you because here you can manage all your subscriptions, memberships. Let me be honest, and I'll actually make particularly one-to-one videos for each of these sections so that you can be much familiar to what the platform is, and I'll be adding it to our YouTube channel and also on the documentation section that I just showed you, that you can see by clicking on it. Also, just before we end and wrap this up, I'll show you how you can create your AI apps. Let's click on this. So basically here you have to write your AI name, select the scope. We have create app. Then you can go to customize app. It will be actually auto redirected to the customize app thing. We have few interesting things now coming up with this upgrade. Now you can switch between different templates, like the legacy one that you have been using, a standalone template, minimalist, and we'll be updating this list very soon, adding tens of templates that you can use create your AI applications. And you can switch between them even if your application is published way back, and it's really interesting. So you can change the UI of the bot anytime now. If you wish to integrate your own OpenAI key, then you can integrate it, write your OpenAI key over here, define the maximum tokens that will be used per session over here. We have a lot of different things also, that you can now set the maximum characters that a user can use to write his input. And then we have this customized UI section. This one is really interesting because now it actually works. You can choose the avatar of your bot, change the background color, integrate a YouTube video into it, actually white label it only if you are a pro user, And then finally we have a publish and next section. It is like the final thing, that what you exactly want to do. You want to monetize your application, you can do it. You can integrate it to your core platform, you can do it, or you can just view the application from here. So this is the platform right now, and I hope you enjoyed that what we have built so far. It took us a lot of days, and it was not just the platform itself. Me being the maker of this platform, I was also irresponsible because of some personal things that happened to me. But now I am recovering very, very, very fast. A lot of things happened that we'll later discuss on, but one thing is for sure, that I am now completely dedicated to the platform, and I really am interested to see that how far you can use Supervised to build applications that will empower the world. So that's it. We have 8,000 plus users now. It's a really, really, really big thing for me and for you guys also, to be in such a family that is growing at such a rapid speed. Congratulations everyone. Now we are officially the Supervised family, and happy building Supervised AI applications and models. See you in the next video.